Hi and welcome to everyone who are watching this video. We are from BA2732A and this is our group presentation videos under the course of HRM453 Workforce of Management. Our topic would be how HR function influence towards organizational performance. Before we begin our presentation, I would like to introduce myself and my fellow friends. My name is ALIFA.
Hi, my name is Ellyssa binti Muhammad Puan.
Hi, my name is Aleeya binti Abdul Qadir.
My name is Muhammad Haziq bin Aris.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Iman Syakir bin Misrun.
Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Syamir Alif bin Kamarul Nizam.
Now back to our topic. I believe the ultimate goal of every business organization is to higher financial performance or maximization of wealth. In a world where every industry rapidly changes its needs and its strengths, and a company must have a solid human capital in order to fulfill those requirements. Therefore, HR function need to be applied in order to manage all the employees of the company. The question is, what is that? Practice human resource management refers to the system of organization that manage the people as in the organization. HR role in its sense here is to compete with people. As Adababu mentioned, that an organization can create a competitive advantage when they possess or develop resources that are valuable, inevitable, and organized. Therefore, recruitment and selection is the first door of a HR function. Hamza mentions that recruitment and selection are the first steps toward making a competitive quality and recruitment strategy advantages for associations. Abdullah and Othman also says that recruitments included examining the necessities of the work, screening, and selecting candidates. Also, HR department also responsible to choose the right person or the best qualified candidate in order to fulfill its need for the organizations. Now, let's dig into the next chapter with the next presenter.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Syamirul Alif bin Kamarul Nizam. Today I'm going to present about the importance of human resource function. Recruitment and selection are essential elements of human resource management that are crucial to an organization's performance and success. According to Akil Ahmad, the author of the study Impact of HRM Organizational Performance of SME sector in Pakistan, the following are some justification, and the first one is return turnover. Employee turnover can be expensive in terms of lost time, money, and productivity. The business can hire the proper people who can perform their job flawlessly, therefore it doesn't need to hire a large number of workers. And the second one is competitive advantage. Recruiting top talent can provide a business with a market advantage. Effective workers can stimulate innovation, raise consumer satisfaction, and boost the company's standing. For the second article, in the context of Adapt Library and a college study on the effect of HRM, practice and organizational performance, recruitment and selection are crucial because of the fundamental part they play in developing a skilled and productive staff. The qualified individual is one of the importance of human resource function. The crucial procedures of recruitment and selection include drawing in and keeping the qualified individuals that the company needs. The study recommends that firms can exchange the fit between employees and the organization's job requirements by selecting individuals based on necessary knowledge and skills using proper selection approaches to meet its objective. The results of studies show a strong correlation between organizational effectiveness and recruitment and selection procedures. Consequently, the study emphasized the significance of recruitment and selection since it can guarantee the hiring of the most qualified applicant, thereby reducing employee inefficiency and related expenses, and ultimately enhancing the organizational overall performance and prosperity. For the third article, for the human resource HR function is crucial to organizations' recruiting and selection process. According to Ishita Nafisa Islam, the author of the article titled A Study on the Impact of Recruitment and Selection in Architectural Organizations of Bangladesh, the role of human resources is crucial because HR manage the screening procedures to find the best candidates. This process is known as screening and selection. This includes going over resumes, setting up initial interviews, and even giving candidates assessment or pre-employment tests to determine their skills and abilities. Candidates' background is the second HR function. In the third article, their organization's image may be impacted by how applicants are handled during the hiring process. In order to improve the employer brand and attract top talent, HR prioritizes in delivering a favorable candidate experience. For the fourth article, the human resource function is crucial to the recruitment and selection procedures inside an organization. According to the author of the article Recruitment and Selection, the relationship between recruitment and selection with organizational performance, the HR department oversees the methodical hiring process, which is the first step in obtaining competitive quality and a hiring strategy advantage. The performance of the organization depends on the HR department's ability to make sure the correct individual is chosen for the right position. As stated, the selection process is a systematic method of assessing and interviewing applicants in order to select the best person for a position that has to be filled. The document also highlights the strategic importance of HR in coordinating with corporate objectives and assessing its performance using metrics like financial viability, efficiency, effectiveness, and relevance to stakeholders. HR needs to set the standard for improved performance outcome and be knowledgeable about the performance measures that matter to the company. In conclusion, hiring and selecting employees is crucial to developing a solid, competent, and dedicated workforce that can boost productivity and success inside their company. Organizations can safeguard their competitive position and get ready for new challenges by investing in these procedures. The result of the study show a strong correlation between organizational effectiveness and recruitment and selection procedures. The strategic value of human resource is contingent and needs to be assessed in the context of each business. This emphasizes the necessity of HR to stay up to date on industry trends and assess its influence on the firm's strategic objective. That's all from me, and I would like to pass to the next presenter.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Syakir bin Misrul. In the study of selection and recruitment in human resource management, we can integrate interactive elements into this study. This can be enhanced the understanding and practical skills in this crucial area of human resource management. The following interactive elements are tailored with selection and recruitment in human resource management. First of all, according to Akil Ahmad, writer of the article Impact of HRM Organizational Performance in the SME Sector in Pakistan, we have to make sure that training is sufficient. Training is the process of enhancing abilities, knowledge, and other expertise while maintaining a positive outlook in order to increase productivity and effectiveness in a particular profession. Other than that, according to Ishta Nafisa Islam, the writer of an article entitled A Study of the Impact of Recruitment and Selection in Architecture Organization of Bangladesh, it is stated that planning of human resource is an important skill. Organizational strategies are reflected in specific HRM policies and practices through careful HR planning. The main goal of planning of human resource is to determine the appropriate number of individuals in the right profession at the right expense who possesses the necessary training, experience, and skill at the right time. Moreover, according to the context of Adak Babiri and Okoli study on the effect of HRM practices on organizational performance, recruitment, and selection, It is stated that HR management has to attract, develop, and retain high-quality people. People should be matched to the organization's operational and strategic needs. Ensure the recruitment, growth, and retention of skilled personnel who fit into the organization's culture and strategic requirement and who can provide exceptional performance, efficiency, flexibility, innovation, and high level of personalized customer service. Last but not least, systematic procedures also have to be included. It takes a lot of time and resources to plan and conduct the interviews. The job description and job specification are the first step in the traditional hiring process. The effective job presents work responsibilities are outlined in the job description. The experienced candidate must have to perform the job is specified in the job specification. By these interactive elements, we understand that the process of recruitment and selection is an important process to make sure the organization's achievement is maintained or better. Thank you.
My name is Muhammad Haziq bin Aris. Okay, the best practice and strategies are important for the recruitment and selection to get efficiently employee for organization. According to Akil Ahmad, the author of the study impact of HRM on organizational performance of SMEs in sector Pakistan, the following are some of the best strategies to do in organization. Firstly, enhance candidate experience. From this strategy, it is to provide a positive experience for all applicants by communicating clearly and providing feedback after interview. For instance, it can make the candidates know the mission and vision in the company and know how to doing the work efficiently. Next, in the organization, the employee must join engage in ongoing relationship building program. For instance, even the candidates are hired, the company must maintain a relationship with other employees for future opportunities. From this perspective, this is the best way to create a good bonding in the organization to get a good performance in the company. In the context of Adab Babiri and Oculus study on the best practice and strategy from recruitment and selection, this is essential for organization to attract and hire the most qualified candidates. Based on findings, here are some the best solution for recruitment and selection. Firstly, structure interview. The company or organization must conduct the structure interview with a set of multiple questions to ensure consistency and fairness for all candidates. This can help to evaluating process for all candidates. Next, do a transparent communication. For instance, it can help the company to evaluate all candidates based on their communication in the organization with other people. Throughout the process, the organization will see the result to get feedback from other employees. Next, according to Ishita Nafisa Islam, the author of the article titled A Study on the Impact of Recruitment and Selection in Architectural Organization of Bangladesh, the recruitment should be systematically starting with through job analysis to understand the requirement of this position. This is known as systematic approach. This process includes examining the job necessities, attract employees to the job, and selecting the candidates. Next, selection process. The selection process should be systematic and tailored to the organization needed. In order from the organization needs, should include various steps such as interview, test medical examination, and reference check to ensure the right candidate being selected. According to Pashda Abdullah Hamzah, the author of the article Requirement and Selection, it is to help in attracting and hire the most qualified candidates that are essential for organization. The best practice and strategies are define clear job requirements to make clearly outline the job responsibilities, qualification, and skills required from the position. From this perspective, it is help in attracting candidates who are in good fit the role in the company. Other than that, use conduct background checks and reference verification to verify the credentials and work history of candidates to ensure they are in good fit for the organization. By the perspective, this also can help the organization to get the best employees to recruit in their company to achieve their goals. By adopting these practice and strategies, organization can improve the quality of their recruitment and selection. process, leading to the hiring of the best candidates and ultimately contributing to improve organization performance.
So, what is the effect of recruitment and selection towards organizational performance? We can say that efficient recruitment and selection procedures significantly enhance organizational performance by attracting top talent, increasing employee satisfaction and commitment, reducing turnover, fostering a positive organizational culture, and aligning the workforce with strategic goals.
Hiring the right people is important because it helps the company run smoothly and efficiently. When employees have the right skill and fit well with the company culture, they are more productivity, happier, and less likely to leave. This leads to better overall performance for the company. A company can improve its recruitment and selection process by clearly defining the skill and qualities they need in a candidate, using fair and consistent method to evaluate application and involving multiple people in the decision-making process. Additionally, using technology and data can help find the best candidate more efficiently. Requirement and selection practice should be different for each industry because each industry has unique needs and challenges. For example, the skills needed in the tech industry are different from those needed in the healthcare. By tailoring their hiring practice to meet their specific needs, companies can find employees who are better suited for their roles and can contribute more effectively to the company's success. In summary, effective requirement and selection process are vital components of successful human resource management. When companies carefully choose the right candidate, they set the stage for better performance, higher job certification, and lower turnover rates. This process ensures that employee skill and abilities align with the organization needs, which boost overall productivity and success. Human resource management (HRM) practices are very important for helping business do well. When companies hire the right people, train them properly, and evaluate their performance fairly, they tend to perform better overall. However, it's important to note that different industries may need different HR strategies to be effective. So while good HRM practice generally lead to success, they should be tailored to fit the specific needs of each industry.
After the end of the conclusion by my fellow member, our study sessions come to an end. I hope that you all understand a bit about HR function, especially for the recruitment and selection. Hopefully, you all can apply this knowledge in the future. Who knows, maybe one of you become HR managers, right? So that's all from us. Thank you.
Thank you for watching.
Remember,
Great company lies
With great employees,
It is our duty to recruit them.